Now it is also back. Now the next step, I think, is to cover. Is to cover everything back. I think we are now. Let's cover our laptop. You have to first make sure that you first put these things inside in order so that they don't disturb you when you are assembling, as you are seeing now. For me, as you are seeing, for me, I'm almost done. Now let's put back our RAM. The RAM is inside now. Other things about the disk, as I told you, they never gave me the disk inside the PC, so I'm putting this case back. But before that, I have to put the SATA first. This is the SATA, as I told you. So the SATA, I've pressed it inside. Then this is the case. I'm done with putting the case inside. The next step is to close in the disk. I've closed it. Next step, we close the RAM. Our RAM. Now I've closed our RAM inside. Then the next step, we are putting back our RAM. As you are seeing, it has its SATA thing. So it's the one you first put inside. That's done. Then we get our battery. We place it back. We first place it like this. Then we can now put our nuts back. That's how to assemble and reassemble a Sonny PC. So I think we are done with assembling and disassembling the machine. Our machine has went back as it is before. Thank you.